Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to find your Pine hosting Rust server inside the Rust server list. To do that, we'll first need to log into our Pine hosting game panel. And once we're here, we need to confirm two things. First of all, we need to see if our server is currently online. To confirm that, you'll have to go here under server info, and if the uptime of the server is going up, that means that the server is running. Also, on the buttons here, the start button will be grayed out, so that's also a good indicator that the server is currently running. The second thing you'll need to do is change your server's name. We need an easier name, something that stands out so we can find our server easily. So the next thing you need to do is go into the Easy Config tab, and under General, you will find the server name option. Right now, our server is named Pine Hosting Rust Server, but this is pretty generic because there's many servers out there called this way. So what we're gonna do instead is something that is a bit more unique, like my cool Pine Hosting Server. So once you have your name in, you're gonna need to go scroll down and click the save button right here to save your changes. And now finally, we're ready to go in game. Now that we're in game, we're gonna click on the play button here to go into the Rust server list. So once we're here, the first thing we're gonna need to do is set up some filters to find our server. Since our server was just launched, that means it's completely empty. We are the first person that's trying to join. That means that your server won't show here in the show full category. You need to go on the filters on the side here and then click on show empty. Once you have this selected, the next thing you need to do is go into the search bar here and enter the name of your server. Our name was My Cool Pine Hosting Server, so we're gonna type exactly that. My Cool Pine Hosting Server. You see, I haven't even completed writing the name and it pops straight up. There is a chance that the Rust server list won't show your server directly to pop up in the Rust server list, and that is completely normal. It is known to be a bit buggy at times, so just give it a bit of time and it will eventually update and you will find your server. What is also really recommended, sometimes it can be a client-side issue, to just relaunch your game. And once you have found your server, of course, you can just click on it and connect. Just like that. And that is how you can find your Pine hosting Rust server in the Rust server list. If you require any further assistance or have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.